Okay, so let's get this baby open. I'm gonna show you the box. And this is my new baby. So let's see how this works. I have never unboxed anything in a video. So let's see how that goes. Show you this is how it comes, and I am gonna be taking one item at a time. It has this bag with a bunch of you know, the stuff. The bobbins and all the accessories. That's what it is, accessories. This one is just a piece of foam that we don't need. And then there is a box inside. I'm just going to take everything out and then we go one by one to see what's in them. Okay. There's a box. Comes with a bag where to put everything. I believe it's a cover for the machine. I wish I can put you higher, guys. 1 second. There you go, guys. Now we can see each other. So it also comes with a manual, and this other little bag. Oh, it's the food. I don't know if that's what it's called, but so I'm gonna call it. And this is the actual food. The other one was the machine. You know, where it rests, what you used to. So, and here it is. It's a beauty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna help you get this box out of the way. And put the machine. I hope you guys can see it. We'll just see what else is there. Well, this is an empty box. That's pretty much it. I'm going to cut the video so I can put the rest of the stuff on the side. Okay guys, now that we have the machine out of the box and the plastic completely, we're gonna go through the stuff that came with it, which is, it comes with a manual that is in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and Portuguese. It also comes with a notification of the 37 stitches built in the machine, and a warranty registration and a warning about the electricity you need to use to operate this machine. The DVD, I don't know if it comes in all 3 languages as well, but I'm assuming it's only English. I will let you know whenever I use it. So it also comes with the pedal, like I said before. It's just simple installation. It has the electricity and the goes plugged in and your machine on the side. So if you have had a sewing machine before, you know how easy this is. But if you have never had one, I'm assuming this is a standard procedure, that it comes with an ending with 3 plugs or 1. In this case, it has 3, and you just plug it in on the side. It has some little lines that will tell you what side it goes to, and then you just plug it in like that. And the other end of it is for the electricity. That's it. Your pedal is also detachable, I think. Oh no, it is not. I have another machine that is detachable from here. This one is not, which, I mean, it comes in handy because mine, when it hits something, sometimes it unplugs. So that is for that. As you can see, it has an on and off button on the side. So pretty simple. It also has a paper on it that I don't know what it is, but I'm about to find out. I just clipped my nails and I can't even grab anything. Oops. Okay. This paper, it's a guide, a reference guide. I hope you guys can see it. The light is so bright. I think I can turn it off. You see. That is the guide. And it comes also in 3 languages. So it's just pretty cool. I don't really know. Oh, this is the little pedal to go in reverse and the double stitch. I really don't know what this is called. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. And it's a bobbin that is on top. Like the one I have is, you have to open this side. It's got tape everywhere. And the one I have currently, I have to put the bobbin in here. This one falls down and it goes in. This one is a bob, which I love that. I love it. Also the machine comes with this, which is a cover for the machine. Isn't that cool? So you just cover your machine with it. That's so awesome. I like it. And it has a little pocket here, I guess, so if you can put your manual and stuff in it. Then I usually have a file for all of that stuff. I don't like to keep it in where I'm using the stuff. I think it's safer to do it that way. So that is the bag that it comes with. And the infamous box that I don't know what's in. We're gonna see. Oh, that's right. Oops, I forgot, guys. Okay, this one comes with an extension. That extension goes to the side. And it also comes with instructions on how to put it on. Okay, yes, it is an extension that you can put on this side. I believe you remove, yes, you remove this side. 1 second. You remove this one, and then you put this one, and it is just an extension in case that you want more support on the side. How cool is that? And it has some measurements here in inches and centimeters. You see that? It's so cool. It is very easy to install. It just clips on the side, and that's it. You have your extension. This one comes in handy when you're doing stuff that is bigger. I do tutus for you know, girls and adults. I have done a few for adults, not too many, but I do mostly for children. And those are so cool because this thing is so cool because it's gonna help me with the bigger size side of them. If you don't need this, you can just remove it and use the small one, which is the one that it comes with. It's the standard one. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's all it came with. Oh no, never mind, I'm lying. The accessories that it comes with is, it has this thing. I have no clue what it's for. This one, I don't know either. I'm gonna have to find out because, like I said, this is the first time I get this machine. I have no clue what those are for. I am not very knowledgeable either. I'm not gonna lie. This one is the pedal. I think it's called pedal. It goes down here. And it has so much tape all over, so I'm not gonna put it on right now. But when I use it, I'm going to make a video for you guys to see what I'm making. And yes, that's what it is. I'm going to include a picture of it so you guys can see what those are. I really have no idea what they're called, but you see this thing, I don't really know what to call it either. So anyways, it comes with these 3 items and the accessories. And yeah, that is my new roller machine, which I am so excited about, and I will let you guys know how I like it. And like I said, I'm gonna make a tutorial with it, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.